here we are. We have this tempered glass protective film from Amazon. I don't remember the price, but I put it on here when I look it back up. So yeah, I was curious about this because I was like, man, this is a nice big screen. I was like, you know what? You know what every nice screen needs is a nice protective film. And then also what everyone else needs is a nice knife to open stuff up. Oh, okay, here we go. So yeah, this is from Amazonian. This is a brand called Tempered Glass Protective Film. I don't know what that means, but it says 9H hardness or repel, bubble free, original touch, real tempered. Tempered. I got a temper. So that's what it looks like. Right there. Pretty cool. I always like the packaging, you know, nice colors. Alright, so let's remove this. Just give me my protector. Give me my screen. Take a look-see. Okay. Installation tools. I'm not going to use that. Oh, wow. And steps. Says, prepare the film and screen. Wipe the screen with alcohol wipe. Wipe dry with the cloth. Use dust removal sticker, clean the surface. Use a suction cup to pinpoint the corner. Okay. Alright. So, installation tools. And here is the screen protector. Oof, look at that. Hey. Nice, very nice. Here's what it looks like. You can see it's got little cutouts for the knobs there. This says back. So first thing we do, I have some cleaner here, which is interior cleaner. I'm gonna use some of this first on it. Spray it onto the cloth, and then we're gonna give it a nice wipe down. I feel like after cleaning it with this, it should be pretty good. The alcohol may not even be necessary. And plus, I don't want to put alcohol on my screen just because, you know, I don't want it to damage anything. So I'm just going to stick with this interior cleaner and just install it without cleaning with the alcohol, because I don't want to put rubbing alcohol on the screen. I'm just afraid. It's better safe than sorry. Okay, so that's on there. So I got the suction cup here. So I'm gonna put that on the front here, and I'm gonna peel. Moment of truth. Okay, use this to help position it. I don't even use it. Okay, that's there. Alright, so I got the home button. That's good, that side. You want to take your time. Don't put any pressure until everything's lined up. Once it's lined up, then you can start. I don't know if you can see it's starting, the pressure starting to go on, but you just want to make sure everything's lined up pretty good before you start putting that pressure in. So, as you can see, the screen's starting to kind of come in together. So I'm going to go ahead and start pressing in on it and start getting this thing sealed up. A little bit of pressure on here. It's not really sitting flat, so I'm going to pull it back off a little bit here and raise it up just a little hair. Hopefully it doesn't get any dust. All right, there we go. That looks better. See, it's starting to, you can see it kind of flatten out throughout the whole surface. So I started off too high, but Looks like you want to start from the bottom, line up the bottom here, and then line it up with the lines. But once you get that in, you can see the pressure on the tempered glass start to fill in. And then once you do that, go ahead and just start, flattening out the glass. I got one little bubble up here that's being a little jerk, but yeah, nice and flush down here. I know you guys can see that there's one little last bubble there. It wants to fight me. That's all right. You want to fight me, bro? Come at me, bro. Tase me, bro. Yeah, I might have to live with that but other than that, everything else is good. Buttons seem to work. Yep, easy. Oh man, that one spot's driving me nuts. Oh, come on, you dirty dog. Okay, I might have to live with that. Whew, part of me wants to really take this off and redo it, but if it's just that little piece, I'm not gonna let it kill me. But those of you that are OCD, I'm really sorry, but this would just have to be as it is. But the main thing is, like, the screen is protected. Oh wait, I kind of worked it out, I think. I worked it out in there. See, look at that. I was about to give up, and then look at that. Adios, bubble. Okay, so yeah, sorry, that might have took longer than usual, than expected, but here we go. She's on there. Looks pretty good. Nice. Better peace of mind, and it's a nice work. Always gotta love Amazon and their reviews and products, so thank you for that. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did not, like I said, use the alcohol wipes, only because I didn't want to mess up the screen. I was afraid. I don't know. So, sorry for being a little extra scared. But other than that, very well done. And I like it. So, hope this helps y'all. Definitely recommend it if you have a Corolla hatch or any kind of infotainment system with a screen and then a screen protector. Get it. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? But yeah, there you go. So yeah, job well done. Let's fire it up. Hallelujah, whip and work. Sweet. Listen to K-pop, sorry. Well, now I've got to check responsiveness, see if anything's different, the same. Yeah, seems like works good. Everything seems good. All right, well, hope you enjoyed that, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Hey.